Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys don't even see the title, I did get the new Limecrime. These are the Astronomical Mascaras. They sent me four. To this day, right now that I'm like filming this video, they haven't posted anything on Instagram, so I'm basically just doing the video as like a first impressions of this mascara. I will be obviously posting this video, uploading this video when they actually do announce it. So basically I'm hoping to have any information that I need to know right here. I'll put anything that I need to know, like the price and when it's going to be launching. I'll put it here. If not, then I will be putting in the description down below when it is announced. But I am so excited because they sent out 4 colors and I did my makeup, so obviously I'm going to be using these 2 today because I really want to test out these 2 together since they're like the most like unique colors for me. Well, not the blue one, the blue one's not that unique, but the purple one is, and I really wanted to try this out. Of course, if you guys want to see me use the green one, make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram and my Twitter and TikTok, and I'm going to be posting it there if you guys want to see it. But before I even continue with the video, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel and want to be part of my little family and want to see more videos of me, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification to know when I post another video. So let's just move on with this. I don't have any more information about these. Like I said, any information that I do get, I will be putting it down here or in the description box below. So let's go ahead and start. So the boxes look like this. They sent out 4 and I'm going to be telling you guys the colors. This black one is called Supernova. The green one is called 51. I'm guessing from Area 51. And then we have this Nebula. I can't pronounce. Nebula and Blue Moon. And these are the ones that I gravitated to the most because I'm like, I can create like a purple and blue eye look and then just use these. Right here in the box, it basically says, in orbit, a new galaxy of out of this world lashes. Our powerful fiber brush separates each lash and packs on a cosmic color formula for major volume that lights years. And then right here it basically says it's a cosmic blast of gallic volume, and it has this. It says that it has, and these are obviously cruelty free and vegan, you know, Limecrime, and the ingredient list is right over here. And I do want to show you guys the packaging of this, just like that. The component, it looks like this. So it's like a basically black color with a little bit of specks there of color, and then I think the other ones are the same thing. I'm gonna tell you guys how much product it has in these. This is the 51, and then we have Nebula here. Let me take it out. It looks like this, and the blue one. So right now I'm gonna open them up so you guys can see the colors, and this is the blue one. So we have all of these for right here. It has 0.30 fluid ounce and 9 ml. That's the Limecrime one. And then just in case you guys use different kinds of mascaras, I do have the Urban Decay one. The Urban Decay one, it is 9.5 ml and 0.32 fluid ounce. And then I have the Roller Lash Mascara, and this one is 8.5 grams net and 0.3 ounces. And then we have the Milk Makeup one. This one is obviously more. This one has 10 ml and 0.34 ounces of product. So that is some of the stuff I have here. Let me see if I have any other mascaras that I can compare it to. I have the Maybelline Lash False Lift one, the Falsies Lash Lift, and this one, it has, the Maybelline one has 0.32 fluid ounce with 9.6 ml. So what it looks like here, it seems like this one has 0.30 fluid ounce, and the Maybelline one, like I said, it has 9.6. So this one has less product than the mascara from Maybelline, but I mean, these are just colorful ones, so I'm guessing that's why it is, because it's not like a black mascara. So I feel like with the black mascara, you're obviously going to use more of it, so that kind of makes sense to me. So we're going to go ahead and try these out. I am really excited, you guys. So I'm debating on which colors I want to use. I do want to use these, but which side. So I'm going to go ahead and use the blue one on my top lashes and then the lavender one on my bottom. So we're going to go in with Blue Moon, and we're going to add these to the top. but I want to show you guys really quick how these look. They are just so pretty. Look at that blue. It's like stunning. And then I'm going to show you guys the lavender one, which is called Nebula, and it is like that. Super nice. I'm gonna also just show you guys the green one so you guys can see the color of the green that it is. It's just like a really bright green, and it looks like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of this blue here and see how it works. So far we can see that it doesn't make my lashes look clumpy. I am gonna put a lot of it on just because I do want the color to show. I don't know if you guys can see it there. Do you guys see it? I feel like, I don't know if you guys can see it there, but it is blue. I want it to be a little bit more darker, so I'm gonna go in again. Just make sure I add another coat. I mean, you gotta coat these black lashes of mine, so we're gonna just keep adding the colors here. So far this is how one eye looks. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye really quick and we'll see how it goes. I did put a little bit more, kind of dunked it in like 3 times just because I really wanted that blue to pop off, because I wanted to stand out more, especially if I want to take pictures of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one. So this is how the blue mascara looks. I actually waited a little bit and then I added another coat because I just wanted that clumpiness. To be honest, I kind of want my lashes to be a little bit clumpy today because I want the color to stand out more. But I could just tell you guys straight on right now, I did not get the blue, vibrant blue in the beginning, the first coat. I kind of had to go in with like 2 or 3 coats. But I think that's obviously when it comes to colored mascaras, that's going to happen. You're not going to get it like bang on the first one unless your lashes are white, and then you'll for sure get that. So I'm going to go in with the lavender one now. So I'm going to try this in the bottom of my lashes and then see how that looks. I think I feel like this one is going to be a little bit harder for it to come out so you can see because it is such a light color. Let me go ahead and put some eyeliner on and maybe that's going to help it stand out more. Okay, now that I have blue eyeliner on, I'm going to go in and just kind of coat my lashes and maybe you'll see a little bit of that lavender through that. I'm going to go ahead and just coat them. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't feel like I see it and I really want it for it to show. I don't think I'm going to be able to get that to come out. Like I would have to basically rub it really good in my eye and get that to come out, you know. Do you guys see it? I feel like it's very little of what you can see. Okay, you guys, so I did what I could. I added a little bit more layers of the lavender one in the bottom, which is Nebula. So I honestly think, I feel like the lavender one, I was really excited for this one, but it didn't work out for me. But the blue one, I really do like it. There's just something about blue lashes that look amazing, and I'm kind of happy that I use these for my top lashes. I still need to try the green one, and of course the black one. I mean, the black one is just regular black, so I didn't want to play with that today because then it wouldn't be really a new thing. So I don't know, I can rate this like from 1 to 10. I kind of want to rate only these two. I can't really rate these, but I have a feeling they're gonna work the same. I want to rate this one a 8. This one I actually really like it, and I want to rate this one a 6 because I feel like I couldn't get it to the way I wanted it to. Maybe I can, but I didn't know if the blue was a problem. I'm gonna of course be using this on my top lashes when they are by themselves, not just with some makeup on, because I really do want to see the way it works just by itself. So those are my thoughts. Let me know what you guys think of these mascaras. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think of this. What are your guys' thoughts on this? Would you guys get it? Would you guys not get it? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching and just continuing to watching my channel grow little by little. And I know I haven't been posting videos soon, but I will be doing them more constant now, which I am very, very happy about. Thank you guys so much, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification to know when I post another video. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram and Twitter and TikTok, go ahead and follow me there. Thank you guys so much again, and I'll see you guys next time.